Assalamualaikum, my name is Nabeera Usman. Welcome to my channel. Okay, let's start it. Color the pencil now. Color from the edges and the side, sideways. We have to go down. And there's a lovely pencil, has a black. And now we have to color the whiteness. Don't want to color in her eyes. And we have to up and go the sideways. We have to hurry up. Hurry up. And there's a whiteness. There's another one, another. Color. I love coloring. And be careful on the down. Now we have to color the arm and this strip. Color up. The pencil is walking with her hands. And up. We go up. And here there's a white. Now the pencil come from trees, clean tissues, desk and a chair, erasers, colorings, and the pages, color pages, and a eraser come from trees. Color the hand. Ta-da. Looks like fruit. And color this area. Don't want to mess in it. Up. I love trees. They give many things. We give them a bad oxygen. They give us a good oxygen. And coloring. Color down. There you go. And color the whiteness. Color away the white. There's a whiteness in the. Now we have to. There's a whiteness. Now there's 1, 2, and color. There you go. Color now orange. Color orange, sideways, then here side, up we go, up. The whiteness go up there, and we go down. We start from this color. The whiteness, don't mess it. We can't mess it. Don't mess it. Now we have to take the dark brown and color. Go up side. Very up. There you go. Don't color. And we have to do the pink over here on the left side. And there you go. Down we go. La. Coloring. I love coloring. There's a whiteness. And go down. There you go. The pink. Pencil is used for writing. I have pencil for drawings. I love to make hearts. I have a highlighter that is very dry now. And go up. There's a whiteness. There you go. And down. There's a whiteness. I see that. And color. And from the inside now. And very slowly, very darkness. And we go up. Now color the eraser. Top part we have to color dark blue. Color up. There. And to the bottom. There you go. There now. And there's a whiteness. Color the whiteness. Now we have to color inside of the eraser. And color. Top. Color. There you go. Now for the top part, we have to do again. And there you go. Now side. Now we have to there's the whiteness. It is disappear now. There you go. Now down and there you go. There's lights and there you go. Now we have to color inside of the eraser top part head. And color it. That's away from here. La. I love coloring. Go away, why? I don't want to see you again. There's the whiteness, more whiteness. More whiteness. Now we have to took the light blue down. And be careful around. Up. Looks like ball. That's funny. Go there. And now be careful. Around the arms. inside of his down erasers one, I have a eraser. Color, 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 color. Color, 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 color. Now up, up, up. We can go up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. There you go. There you go. There. There. There you go. Now color now the tongue. And be careful around his teeth. We don't want to color in the teeth. I have to be very gentle of the teeth. There you go. There's one more teeth. So there you go. Go down and up. Color, 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 color. There's weakness. Now we have to go back where we go from. And color, color, color. Down, 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 down. There you go. To upside. There you go. Color now inside. Color the inside. La 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 la. Now we have to color upside. And there you go. There's a whiteness. Color. There you go. Color now on his hands and feet. We have to color dark. Color now onto his hand. Very that finger mark and the finger. Pencil is writing. The razor is going. Eraser and to his arm. Go down. Very down. To the baby finger. And to the mommy finger. And to this mommy finger. And there you go. And there's a wobbly one. Another wobbly up and down. Looks like mountains. There you go. And there's a whiteness. Color the whiteness. There's another tiny whiteness. The wobbly whiteness. We have to color. Now for the inside, there's a whiteness. Another whiteness. And there you go. Now from the legs. And there's a leg. And now here. There you go. And there you go. And there's a whiteness. There you go. Now color on his foot. There you go. There's a whiteness on the corner. Color, color, color. There's another foot. And color on its side. Color now the face. And go up, upside. And we have to now color on his teeth. Teeth can be very white, just like me. And there's a teeth over there. And I have. Be careful. Don't want to color on in the teeth. Here, no. And go up. Be careful around the mouth. There you go. We cross around the teeth. There you go. And that there. And be careful. There you go. Now color the inside of his body to big body. And color, 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 color. Coloring around the eyes. Upside on his eyebrows. They're very black. There you go. There, color to his nose and around the eyebrow. Don't want to color in there. There you go. We cross. Now for the down and the side. Now we have to around the eyes. Be careful. There you go. The next side. There you go. Color, 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 color. I have to color the whiteness. White, go away, come again another day. And color the whiteness. Now for the line, you have to color black. There's a way. Color, be careful. And there's another. Be careful. 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 Yeah. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more video. Bye.